Nvidia admit the Blackwell defect and Jensen Huang pledged to Q4 shipments as promised. Nvidia has confirmed the earlier report that its Blackwell generation of GPU suffered from a design defect that adversely impacted the yields of the hotly anticipated accelerators. We execute a change to Blackwell GPU mask to improve production yield. Nvidia CFO Colette Kress acknowledged on the company's advancement earnings course. Neither Kress nor CEO Jensen Huang explained the nature of the defect beyond of the mention of a mask. However, whatever was wrong with the manufacturing process will stop Nvidia from shipping Blackwell in Q4 as previously promised. You can catch a post-earnings course interview with Nvidia Colette Kress over the next platform right here. The change to the mask is complete. There were no functional changes necessary, and so we were sampling functional samples of Blackwell, Grace Blackwell in a variety of the system configuration as we speak, Huang told an investor. Even if the Nvidia manages to ship Blackwell on time, the change could simply mean a later ramp and a revenue realization and previously planned. Even still, Kress insisted the Blackwell production ramp is scheduled to begin in fourth quarter and continue into fiscal year 26, and that in Q4 the GPU giant will ship several $1 billion in Blackwell revenue. The Huang doubled down in Q&A. When I said to ship production in Q4, I meant shipping out. I don't mean the starting to ship. I don't mean the starting production. While Huang and Kress attempted to play off the mask swap a minor matter, Gartner analyst Gaurav Gupta told the Register that design changes like these can occur extremely quickly, especially this late in production. Typically, you want these issues to be solved early on, he said. Gupta noted that even the Blackwell is late, Nvidia has two advantages. One is that despite recent gains by the AMD and Intel and others, Nvidia still doesn't have much competition. And the second factor is that a mask change could end up saving the Nvidia's considerable amount of cash in long run. If the new mask improves the production yield, they will easily recover any loss to the delays. In chip fabrication, achieving the high yield is critical, so less fabricate chips are discarded and production is more efficient and reliable, and it also helps improve cycle time. Nvidia's disclosure mirrors a similar statement made by Foxconn executed early this month that a Blackwell-based product would begin a shipment in small volumes in fourth quarter. We are on the track to develop and prepare the manufacturing a new AI server to start shipping in small volumes in last quarter of 2024 and increase the production volume in the first quarter of next year, Foxconn spokesman James Wu previously said. They announced at Nvidia's GTC conference in March 2024 the Blackwell generation of the GPUs boasted more than twice the VRAM on the H100 and 2.4 to 5 times higher performance. Achieving this performance uplift requires major changes in design philosophy, including the move to the multi-die configuration, an approach similar to that used by AMD and Intel in their latest generation of accelerators. Making matters more complicated is that Nvidia is pushing its Grace Blackwell superchips, aka the GB200, much harder this generation. The 2,700 watt parts pair to GPUs with a single 72-core Grace GPU. 36 of these superchips from each 120 kilowatt NVL 72 rack system, which Nvidia claims offer a 30 times improvement in inference in performance thanks to the speedy NVLink switch fabric tying everything together. We took a deep dive on the system back in GTC if you're curious. However, it appears something about the design wasn't quite right, necessitating the mask change. We previously reported that Nvidia has supposedly warned Microsoft that a shipment of the chip had been delayed due to a problem with the packaging tech used to stitching Blackwell's two dies together. Nvidia was there said to be prioritizing its flagship GB200 part over the lower spec HGX B100 and B2000 at 200 configuration, and would bring a trend down the Blackwell. It's configured with a single compute die called a B208 to make as a stop-gap measure. And while the Huang's comment seems to confirm that Nvidia is prioritizing each GB200 SKUs, and those are also the chips that offer the highest efficiency when running large models. As it stands, Nvidia's HGX and DGX H100 platforms with their 8 GPUs struggle to support models with more than 100 billion parameters. Llama 3 405 billion can only run on a HGX H100 system when quantized to 8-bit precision. Nvidia's top specs Blackwell system should be able to support models more than 1,000 times that in size. As our sibling site, the next platform points out, not disclosing larger issues at this point would likely throw the ire of investigators of the SEC, considering the Nvidia is already under the Department of Justice looking class. It seems transparency would be the best player here, so while there's clearly some truth to the Blackwell's manufacturing defect, it may not be as severe as rumors. In any case, it's clear that Nvidia leadership is keen to telegraph that all is fine and well this week. Amid the Hot Chips conference this week, the AI infrastructure Goliath revealed that Blackwell was performing well enough to merit an MLPOF submission, which it claims demonstrated 4 times lead over an H100 in a 1-to-1 drag race in Llama to 70 billion. Okay. Today I read this article. Nvidia admits a Blackwell defect, but Jensen Huang pledged to Q4 shipment as promised. Thank you for your time and see you next time.